Alright guys, how's it going? So I've sat here for nearly an hour, and every time I hit record, I make a complete arse of it. And it's because I'm not very good at this sentimental bullshit. But I just wanted to say thank you to the subscribers. Thank you for commenting on the videos, it's been very encouraging. And thank you for pointing out where I've made errors and mistakes. Nobody's perfect, and this helps me grow as an artist, it really does, so I appreciate it. And just to put one thing to bed, I'm Scottish, I'm from Glasgow, there's nothing I can do about my accent, really not. I mean, I'm actually slowing it down at the moment and I just sound like an idiot. But I wanted to let you know, I also have a second channel. Now, anytime I upload anything that's non-Blender related, it immediately gets downvoted. So I have a second channel. And this actually looks at more the retro tech, like the first video is Web Archive 3D World issue number 2. I'm doing a couple of things on Bryce, and I'm just going to have fun with this channel. But that doesn't mean I'm going to stop with my Studio 53 account. I'm always going to make Blender tutorials, and at one point I was making nearly 3 a day. What I might do is, I might slow it down a little bit, and I might focus a little bit more on longer content, longer tutorials, start to finish projects. Now I like doing short videos because I just want people to get the information very quickly without having to watch a video 10 minutes to find out how to move a mouse. And that's pretty much it. I'll put the link for the new channel down below. Help me get it up to 1,000 subscribers, that helps big time, and I would like to get the watch time up. And that's pretty much it. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channels, you know what to do. Peace.